Hello everyone, this is Stefan from CyberFox. Today I'm going to answer the question: how much does it cost to develop a 3D configurator? Understanding the cost involves recognizing three stages of development: the POC, proof of concept, the MVP stage, and the maintenance and expansion phase. First, let's talk about the proof of concept stage. This is ideal if you're not sure yet about 3D configurators. We create a basic version with some 3D models and simple customization options to see if the idea is viable. This stage usually costs around $5,000 and helps build confidence in the concept. Next one, the MVP stage, is perfectly if you already know what you want. We develop the first version of the configurator with essential features and integrate it with your Ecommerce platform. This stage typically costs between $25,000 to $35,000. The goal here is to start selling and see a boost in sales quickly. Finally, there's an expansion phase. Initial version might cost around $100,000, which could be sufficient for your needs. However, if you aim for continuous growth in development, your 3D configurator can evolve into comprehensive platforms. Over 1 or 2 years, it could transform into a full-fledged SaaS solution, franchise-ready product, or a box solution for other manufacturers. This extensive development can lead to investments can exceed $1 million, reflecting the scale and sophistication of the project. Maintenance costs are usually low because we design the system so that your team can handle updates and support. Plus, at CyberFox, we transfer all intellectual property rights to you, so you're not tied to any subscriptions or ongoing fees with us. I hope this clarifies the costs involved in developing a 3D configurator. For more details, visit our website or email me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights. See you in the next videos.